Hello YouTube, back at it again. I made myself a contraption for my gimbal. I put it on bloem potten, flower pots, stacked them 3 beds now, I think pretty sturdy, and this point of view, something like this. Now, all about testing and getting the perfect shot for in the car. Driving shot. Well, see how that works out. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. We're gonna do a test drive. Hello YouTube, back at it again. Got a new point of view. How about that? And now we're gonna see how this works out while driving. Do I get myself in the mirror? Hello? Check, microphone check. So this is gonna be it. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'm gonna cut out and connect this movie to the other movie, so we can have a flowing line. Yes, okay, sorry for the rumbling. Hello YouTube, back at it again. Start her up on benzine. Ready to go, guys. Put on the lights. Get that camera working. Of course, right? We're gonna do a pre-light route. There's a street here in Drachten. Beautiful lights at Christmas. Ah, there she blows. Just a test drive, guys, for the new setup. Now you can see the star much better. Star is important. Cannot control her now as much as I would like to. Nice weather to drive, guys. Driving in Drachten. I'm going to the St. Jansberg. Because why? St. Jansberg, a lot of lights. I want to go there tonight. Make a drive at night with the lights. Secure her some more. Yes. over easy. Here does it start. Look at all the lights. No lights yet. Yeah, and I fixed myself a pot of coffee, so I have to go home for the coffee, of course. It's just a test drive. Terugdrachten. I'm curious how it's going to look at night. It's not copyrighted. But I need to go through it and look for a really nice driving song. Put that in the behind in the scene. A little bit shaky here. Gimbal, there's a lot to do. Police. Lights on. I'm insured. The whole time. Picture. Ooh. Hey. I know that man. Starting to get warm. It's YouTube, we had a cut up. Please like and subscribe, comment. 200 subscribers, we get a free ride giveaway. Be there, be square. When you do that, you get a feeling in your stomach, power, instantly there. Mercedes did a good thing 45 years ago. What did they do? Okay, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you with me on the next ride.